Hi, I'm Patrick Perry. I'd like to show you PS3 Doesn't Fix. I'd like to show you. Take a look at the videos right here. Hang on. Okay, take a look at the videos right here. That screen is messed up. Look at that. It doesn't work. Look at that. Take a look at that right here. That screen is messed up. Oh, that screen is messed up. That's pretty bad. Okay, about the see, my PS3, the screen is pretty messed up. That's pretty bad. Now what you do, I want you buy the HDMI PS for PS3. I like to show you that is. Take a look at that right here. This is called PS3. PS3 the works it up about the screen. Now I'm gonna show you the hook up the PS3. I'm gonna like to show you that is. Okay, this is a PS3 cables with the HDMI. Now what you do, I'm going to just see how it works it a bit about PS3 cables and HDMI. I'm going to hook it up right here. Now watch. It's a bit too dark. I'm going to hook it up right here. Okay, I hook it up right here. I'm gonna just show you give it lights and just show you this. Okay, I give it lights. See, this is a HDMI PS3. Now I'm gonna see how it works it about screen is. Hang on. Okay. Good Lord. Look, the screen is messed up. But I did. I hooked up the PS3, but I did. Look at that. That the screen is messed up right here. Look at that. Oh my. Look at that is. That screen is messed up. Okay. I'm going to show it off right here. Take a look at right here. It's just a mess up right here. Look at that. Oh, that's a screen that's is so bad. Look at that. I'm going to shut off right about PS3. I'll shut off. This screen's just messed up. Sorry about that. About my PS3, the screen pretty messed up. That's pretty bad. But I hooked up a cable with the HDMI cable. But I did. Now I'd like to show you about called U-Break iFix. I'm going to show you that is. Okay, about called the name is U-Break iFix. I'm going to show you about a wallpaper is U-Break iFix. I'm going to show you that is. Oh. Okay, about U-Break iFix. Take a look at the wallpapers like that. Look at that. See? They're gonna fix any games console. Any game console for anything. Well, got the repairs for my PS3. I want to show you there is. Yeah, look at that. Okay, my PS3, look at that. I'm going to give it a light. I'll be right back. Okay, I got lights right here. See the lights? Need repairs for my PS3. Need repairs. It be right here. Now, someone take care of my PS3 for you break I fix. They're gonna fix my PS3. Gonna fix it with needed repairs. Be right here. Now listen to me, okay? About AV cables. They be right here. It look like, I think it is pretty old. The screen is a messed up. That's pretty bad. And the new one is a car. Oh, there's a see in my hand right here. This car HD, HDMI cable for PS3 is new one. I hook it up. But I did. The screen is a pretty messed up. That's pretty bad. Now listen to me, okay? You need to go to google.com, but then you go to Google Maps. I'd like to show you is. Now listen to me, okay? I want you type is you break I fix. I want you type out I fix, but then you hit, now press enter. Let's see what PlayStation 3 do. Hang on, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna play a game. I'm gonna put it inside the disc. Let's see how the game. Let's see the game do. This screen's are messed up. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the disc. Oh, here goes. The screen is messed up. It will be take time. I'm gonna play a game. Forget right here. Just forget it. Forget a sign in. Let's see how it works. This game is okay. I'm gonna try the offline. I'm gonna try the low. You see how it works. Let's see play the game. Game is okay. Okay, let's see here. This game is okay to me. I want to take a look at the menu. Look at that. This screen is messed up. Take a look at that right here. Yeah, I need repairs. The screen's messed up. I need repairs. Okay, I'm gonna quit the game. I'm gonna take out the disc. Okay, I'm gonna take out a disc. I'm putting it inside. Well, this game is okay. Well, I'm gonna shut off the next time. I'm gonna turn it off. Sorry about that. Need to go to the someone to take me to a PlayStation 3. The name of the building is You Break I Fix. Well, I'm gonna go to take it there, right, will be right here. I apologize. My brother can't take the PS3 for You Break I Fix. Yeah, my brother can. He told me to say it doesn't fix it. Now gotta wash that. Gotta wash. Now watch this. Yeah, it doesn't fix it. Now watch it the screen. It look like. Yeah, it doesn't fix it. Well, now take a look at that right here. Maybe that doesn't fix it. You go to settings. I don't know. It look like a normal to me. Okay, I'll be back at the next time. The screens are messed up. Okay, we back right here. Look at that. Yeah, it doesn't fix. Just hang on. Yeah, this screen's at this screen will tell. How this screen will tell it doesn't fix. Take a look at that. That's our best shape. Yeah, I will tell you it's a little bit crooked. I apologize. This screen's messed up again. Let's try out how it works right here. Well, let's see how it works. The game works. See how it works at a play game. Okay, see how it works. This game works. Yeah, that works right here. Yeah, that works. I tried it in main menu. Game works. And look at that. That was a little bit crooked. I'm gonna try to quit the try the this is a messed up. I'm gonna try another game. I'm gonna try the movie and see how it works. For the Blu-ray, DVD with the isn't a copy or of the Blu-ray and see how it works. Okay, see how it works. Okay, let's see. It will be take time. I'm gonna try that. Okay, I'm gonna try that on this to see how it works about movies. Yeah, that was working. Look at that, that was working. I'm gonna try that. See, this is a little bit crooked. It was a little bit crooked. He won't tell it a little bit crooked. How does it say? Let's say yes. Well, they did not take me. It did not take that PS3. You break, I fix. I'm sorry. The PS3 It Doesn't Fix. You, 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 you. Remember, click thumbs up, click share, and click subscribe.